In this video, we are going to see the problem. If the mth term of an AP be 1 by n and nth term be 1 by m, then show that mnth is 1. So first let us write the details. The mth term is given as 1 by n. So we can write this as am is equal to 1 by n. And the second detail what they have given is nothing but nth term. So write an is equal to 1 by m. And what we need to show means we have to prove that Amn is equal to 1. This is what we need to prove for this problem. So before that, we are going to proceed with these information Am and An. We will use the AP formula and write the expansion of it. So A plus m minus 1 into d, this can be written as and an can be written as a plus n minus 1 into d. Just mark the first equation and the second equation as 1 and 2. Now we are going to subtract 1 and 2. So if I subtract on the LHS, I'll be getting 1 by n minus 1 by m, and here we will be getting a plus m minus 1 into d minus a minus n minus 1 into d. So a and a is getting cancelled, and here d is common in for m minus 1, and for n minus 1 also d is common. We are going to remove those common thing by multiplying it inside. So it's going to be md minus d, and here minus nd plus d, and here this side now minus d plus d got cancelled. We got md minus nd, so I can combine this m minus n into d. Now on our LHS also we need to take an LCM, so that it is going to be mn, and upside it's going to be in the numerator m minus n. See over here, m minus n is in the numerator over here on the LHS, as well as m minus 1 is there in the numerator on the RHS, so we can cancel it. So we got the value of d as 1 by mn. So now we need to find the value of a. So substitute this value of d in 1. Substitute d value in the equation 1. So what we will be getting? 1 by n is equal to a plus m minus 1 into 1 by mn. So we'll solve this in order to get the value of a. So how to solve this one? 1 by n is there on already on the LHS. Now we are going to move this term. Other than the a term, we are going to move it to the LHS. So it's becoming minus m minus 1 divided by mn, which is equal to a. So now we can take an LCM. So LCM is mn on an LHS, and the remaining m will be in the numerator, and here minus m minus 1. And now again this minus is common, so just we'll put inside the term m minus 1, so it will become m minus m plus 1 divided by mn equal to a. Our RHS is a na, so I am writing that here over here. So plus m minus m will get cancelled, so we got the answer for a as 1 by mn. So we got a value also and d value also. Now we are going to find what is amn. So first we will write the formula for amn. We, as we know the AP formula, it's nothing but a plus, instead of n we have mn, so you need to write it as mn minus 1 into d. And now we are going to substitute the value of a over here. What is the value of a? It's 1 by mn, and plus mn minus 1, d value is also 1 by mn. So now we can take an LCM mn, and here for the first term 1 is there, and for the second term mn minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 got cancelled, and we left with mn in the numerator as well as in the denominator. Now this mn and mn will get cancelled, so we left with the value of 1. That's the reason we got here amn is equal to 1. So we have proved the mnth value is 1. Thank you.